How to get the best finance and profit from Binance. Binance is one of the best platforms to earn money with crypto. It offers many ways to grow your income. Let's look at the best methods to earn finance and profit from Binance. 1. Binance Earn. Use Binance Earn to make passive income. Put your crypto in flexible or locked savings. Flexible savings let you withdraw anytime. Locked savings give higher returns. You can also stake coins to earn rewards, or use auto invest to grow your portfolio slowly. 2. Spot trading. Buy low and sell high. That's the goal of spot trading. Pick strong coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. Study charts and follow market trends. Take profit regularly and avoid panic trading. 3. P2P trading. Binance P2P to buy and sell crypto with local currency. You can earn profit by setting your own prices. Many users make money as merchants on P2P. It has zero trading fees. 4. Launchpad and Launchpool. Stake your BNB or other coins in Launchpad or Launchpool. Earn new tokens before they launch. Some of these tokens go up fast after listing. It's risky, but also very rewarding. 5. Dual investment. Trade dual investment to earn based on market movements. Choose if the price will go up or down. If you're right, you earn high returns. This method is for more experienced users. 6. Binance Card. Spend crypto with your Binance Card. You can earn up to 8% cash back in BNB. Use your crypto in shops and earn rewards. 7. Referral program. Invite your friends to Binance. Earn a part of their trading fees. This is free and gives you passive income. 8. Manage risks. Always protect your money. Use stop loss and take profit tools. Don't invest everything at once. Keep some funds in stable coins like us. 9. Learn with Binance Academy. Binance Academy has free lessons. Learn about crypto, trading, and safety. The more you learn, the more you earn. 10. Use Binance Tool. Set price alerts to track the market. Use the portfolio tracker to see your profits. Follow news updates on new coin listings. Conclusion. Binance is full of smart ways to earn money. Start with simple steps. Use the right tools. And keep learning every day. With patience and smart moves, you can earn good profits from Binance.